So Michael, when you look around all the 5G and all the exciting things that are happening, very impressive here. So can you tell me a little bit about what we have here and what the demo
absolutely.
is?
So this represents our smallest modular data center footprint. It's also a good example of our MEC, or multi-access edge. It is a fully deployable modular data center, meaning that all of the capabilities of a modular data center are replicated here.
So when you look at this, what sort of customers actually install this, and where's the use cases for this?
Yeah, they're quite varied. In many respects, it could be for a net new capability where they need something out in an area where there is no compute at a far edge. So in the automotive usage case, we have far environments where they're testing vehicles, they need to capture that data, they need to do some processing it, and there's no other infrastructure. And so this is a self-contained. In some cases, it's also, I have a capability, but I need to extend that, and I may only need it for a little bit, or I want to go ahead and do it in a very cost-effective manner.
So then when you look at the assets that Dell Technology has, VMware, ESX, tell me a bit about what the applications are for the rest of Dell Technologies in these infrastructure MEC units.
Right, so we can run the full host of all of the Dell servers. We can run all of the software.
So this can be deployed across multiple vertical segments.
Multiple verticals.
Yeah. And then we also have our IoT capabilities built into this as well.
We do.
You know, that's the exciting thing about 5G is the driving of convergence between IoT, the edge, the core, the cloud, the enterprise.
And there are multiple versions of this. We're showing a 1-rack unit here today, but in reality it could be a 4-rack or up to 10. Depends on what they want to place at the edge and how much they're virtualizing and how much of the footprint that needs to be on the far edge as well. Okay. So this can be expanded or contracted based on whatever the customer needs.
So we could scale it down to a micro data center for small and medium business, medium business customers as well.
In fact, retail is looking at that very solution. They've got big stores or distribution centers, and they need to have this kind of appliance, if you will. Yeah. And they might put it on the roof, they might put it in the parking lot, or they might actually put it in the store or in the distribution center. But it may not have originally been thought of to put compute in there. And so this is a purpose-built appliance that allows them to have that presence there.
So when you think of 5G and then the excitement about it, and you think of the assets across Dell Technology and the IP we have, I think we're in a great position in this emerging space.
We're ready.
Yeah. So all the way from the edge to core to cloud, the enterprise, you know, it's an exciting time, and I'm sure you're excited about it as well.
I am, and part of that was getting involved with a lot of early proof of concepts and field trials, and now in production. This unit is actually shipping in Europe today.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. So you must be proud of this.
I am very proud. A lot of work.
Good stuff, Michael. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Liam. Appreciate it. Thank you.